and today I'm going to share with you how to make one of my new favorite recipes, mandarin salad. The first time I tried it, I absolutely fell in love with it. So I'm going to show you how to make it today. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 7 to 8 lettuce leaves. Now I'm using romaine lettuce today, but you can use any type of lettuce that you have. We're going to remove each leaf individually. I'm going to wash them to make sure we don't have any dirt or anything on our leaves. And if you see there are any bits of leaf that looks wilted or marked, we're going to rip that off because we're not using that. And we're going to shred all of the rest of this lettuce to make this salad. Romaine lettuce is nice and sturdy. That's why we're using that today. We have 1/4 of a white onion chopped. And the star of our dish, mandarin. We have about 2 to 3 mandarins. Depends on the size of the figs that you get. You can use more. We're going to use 3 of them today. We have some cashews to give you a nice crunch. You can also use walnuts if you have some. And to make our dressing, we have 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Now the fun part, to put everything together. So we have our lettuce leaves already shredded in a large bowl. We're going to add the onions, get them all in there. We're going to add our mandarins. I reserved a couple of them to put at the very end. So we're going to get them in there, give a nice stir, and then we're going to add our nuts. Salad all together, we're going to make our dressing. So we're going to add our salt to our balsamic vinegar. We're going to add our extra virgin olive oil, and we're going to give it a nice whisk. We're going to mix everything together well. Then we're going to pour our dressing over our salad, and this will bring everything together. This is going to taste so good. Mandarin salad, my new favorite salad. Our mandarin salad is done, and just look at it. It looks so good. You can see that pop of color that you get from the orange mandarins. Can't wait to taste it. Let's dig in. That was so good. Having the nuts just gives an amazing crunch to the salad. And there is this surprise that you get when you bite into the mandarin, because remember we would have included the mandarin figs whole. So when you burst the mandarin as you chew, you get this juice just flowing into your mouth. This citric, so good. Mandarin salad, now you need to try it. Enjoyed this salad recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other salad recipes, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.